Hi guys, a very happy weekend. I am here with you today to celebrate two festives which are a part of January this year. It is related to the farmers. It is a homage to the harvesting season. LOHRI is a festive that is coming this year on the 14th of Jan, and this is a festive which is being widely celebrated by Punjabis and hariyanvis all around the world, where they are welcoming the spring season and which brings in good crop and harvesting. So it is a homage to the new starting season and the harvesting season. Similarly, Sankranti is also a homage to the sun god and to the starting of harvest season as the spring season starts. So let's see how we can get ourselves ready for the two different ways of having festives. I did create something which I found out from the cupboard, and I thought that okay, I do have some invitation coming in, what am I going to wear? So I did find out different ways of pairing myself up for the two different types of invitations I'm going for, and let's see how it turns out to be.
Pairing a nice cotton handloom sari for Sankranti look.